Good afternoon, viewers. Our birds, they have been laying, and then we've started picking from them. As you can see, they are laying now. We are the one that started the brooding from the chicks to this stage, and we are getting the product. They are doing absolutely well. We have less than 1% mortality. By the end of this week, we expect at least 10 crates from them.
All my people all over the world, your boy is here, Mustafa Sholagbade. I am here for my brand, Fakat Poultry, Fakat Farm. Yeah, today is our 3rd year anniversary, and we are here to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you. The CEO of Fakat Poultry instructed me to say thank you to all of our customers all over the world, including our staff from the top to the least staff of Fakat Poultry. We are saying big thank you to you, including the security. We are not putting anyone aside because we believe without you there won't be Fakat Poultry, there won't be Fakat Farm at all. And now today is our 3rd year anniversary. You can see how time flies. Trust me, this year is going to be a good year for me and you because it's our 3rd year anniversary. And now this year our game is going to be a top notch. For all of our customers that have been supporting us, please, I want you to continue the support, the patronage, continue supporting us. And to all of our partners, please continue to partner with us. And if you still want to partner with us, if you're a new customer or a new supporter of Fakat Poultry, you can join us today because this year is going to be a good year for me and you, for everybody in Fakat Poultry. Mustafa Sholagbade endorses Fakat Poultry every day, all day. Thank you so much. We're saying a very big thank you to all of you. We appreciate you. Fakat Farm, Fakat Poultry. To the world, happy 3rd year anniversary to us. Thank you.
Green, white, green, the colors of the Nigerian flag. While the white color symbolizes peace, the green speaks to the natural wealth often attributed to the vast vegetation and aquatic bodies that are spread across the nation, and the historical role agriculture played in the development of the newly independent country. From pre-colonial times to the first decade post-independence, agriculture was a mainstay of Nigeria's economy. From the groundnut pyramids in northern Nigeria to the cocoa plantations in the west and palm produce in the eastern region, Nigeria's position as a leading producer of agricultural products was well established in the 50s and 60s. While Nigeria continues to be a leading producer of many agricultural products like cassava, cocoa beans, palm oil, sorghum, sesame seed, and cashew nut, the nation has lost its place in the global community as a major player in agriculture due to several years of neglect of the agribusiness value chain and over-dependence on Nigeria's crude oil deposits as a source of government revenue. With an increasing population that is estimated to reach 400 million by 2050, growing global investments in clean and renewable energy leading to reduction in reliance on fossil fuels, climate change and the threat to global food security, it has become pertinent that Nigeria must once again rediscover its place in global agriculture for food security and revenue generation. The rebirth starts now.
Fuck out eggs, spreading a delicious happiness.